What if someone told you that your daily interactions are constantly being influenced by an unseen force? This force isn't supernatural, but it's certainly extraordinary. It's called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this AI? Scene script. Picture this. It's like having a virtual brain, a digital mind that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. It's a field of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, understanding human language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. But did you know, not all artificial intelligence is created equal? Indeed, AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI refers to systems designed to perform a narrow task, such as voice recognition. They're like the expert craftsmen of the AI world, specializing in one particular area. Your friendly virtual assistant that helps you check the weather or play your favorite song is a perfect example of narrow AI. On the other hand, general AI systems are like the decathletes. They possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. They can understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge from one domain to another. However, it's important to note that this type of AI only exists theoretically for now. Now, how does this AI affect your daily life? Well, it's like an invisible hand, quietly shaping the world around you. Take your social media feeds, for example. Ever wondered how they always seem to know what you're interested in? That's AI at work, studying your behavior and preferences to personalize your feed. Or consider your email, those spam messages that get automatically filtered out. That's AI too, recognizing patterns and protecting you from irrelevant content. Even when you use a navigation system to find the quickest route to your destination, you're relying on AI. If you're marveling at the wonders of AI and wondering how you can dip your toes into this vast ocean, the good news is you don't need to be a computer scientist or a mathematician. There are plenty of resources available online that can help you understand the basics of AI. Books, online courses, webinars, and tutorials. The world is your oyster. In summary, artificial intelligence is a revolutionary field that's transforming our world in countless ways. From narrow AI systems performing specific tasks, to the theoretical general AI that could perform any intellectual task, AI is a powerful tool that's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Whether it's personalizing your social media feeds, filtering out spam emails, or helping you navigate, AI is making our lives more efficient, one algorithm at a time. And with the right resources, it's a field that's accessible to all. So the next time you ask your virtual assistant for the weather forecast, remember, you're interacting with the incredible world of artificial intelligence.